U.S. President Donald Trump has confirmed reports that he cancelled airstrikes against Iranian targets following Tehran's downing of a U.S. surveillance drone in the Gulf. Now, Mr. Trump tweeted that the U.S. was cocked and loaded, but he stopped the order 10 minutes before the planned strikes after he was told that 150 people would have died.
Mr. Trump said the deaths were not proportionate to the downing of the U.S. drone. Tehran says the drone had violated Iranian airspace, but Washington maintains that it was shot down in international airspace.
Iranian TV has shown what it claims to be the wreckage of the U.S. drone. Iran said that the drone was warned twice before it was shot down in the Gulf. Tehran also said it refrained from shooting down a military plane that was accompanying the drone. There were 35 people on board.
Major airlines, including Singapore Airlines, are diverting some flights to avoid the Strait of Hormuz. Here's a look at flights over the area at about 9 p.m. Singapore time, and this comes after U.S. aviation authorities barred their carriers from the area until further notice. SIA says it considers factors like advisories by international bodies and only chooses routes that are safe and have been cleared for use.